for the experience. We're gonna take it easy. Big flames. Oh, finally, quiet. So, few things. We done a lap. I melted the diffuser, so it was a proper scent. Had to do with 10,500 RPM. Do you have the code? The fault code? Because at the end, the car went in limp mode, and of course you expect the absolutely worst, that you blew up the engine. I'm like, oh no, I don't want to have a rotary project car. I'm already like suffering from Hondas, so not yet. Maybe in the future. I would love to build a rotary one day. Yeah, of course, Rob Dam could send him a DM, but he's not replying to me for some reason. I don't know, because he's been asking like, hey, we're looking for some aero for our car. Like, I can build you something. Rob doesn't like me. Anyway, shows the error code. Yeah.
1 second.
So we can see. So yeah, we didn't blow up the engine, so that was good.
No, it basically went into limp mode because it just got really hot. And in the end, the only error code that I got was the secondary air injection, which is secondary air pump, which is not on the engine anymore.
Ah, okay.
So it's just a code that popped up.
Yeah.
That's not on the engine already.
Nice. Well, speaking of the engine, we have. Let's pop the hood, Junior. Let's see what's underneath. It is.
It's not much. It's, looking from the outside, it's the same.
Yes. It's very small because it's still a 1.3 two rotor, but naturally aspirated.
Mid-engine.
So mid-engine, because you can see that little small piece of engine is behind the front axle, so it's very good for the handling. Naturally aspirated, so it's not turbocharged, therefore the power is not really great, but yet.
I'm going back for redemption.
Yes, so the turbo is coming, and next year we will see it with the turbo, and better brakes as well.
And better tires.
And better tires. Yeah.
And cooling.
Yes, but it was already good. So, stock they are like 200 something, 20,
230, but
30.
they never made 230. They
On the
made
dyno.
probably around 210.
Yeah, if even. This one, no one knows. The expectations are around 250 maybe.
250, 260.
Yeah, it's something that it felt as well in terms of naturally aspirated when you are doing 10,000 RPM, because everything below it's kind of like really dead. But very good fun, very good emotion. Yeah, unfortunately the last two corners the car went in limp mode. I'm happy it didn't like go completely bad, but yeah. So engine stock, sorry, engine is two rotor like from factory, but it has lots of hybridization of RX-7 and RX-8. So what happens?
I say hybrid,
it's not a hybrid turbo. It means there's parts of RX.
It's not electric.
Yes.
It's, basically, some parts are of an RX-7, some parts are of an RX-8.
So what do you have of what?
So plates are still RX-8, rotors are still RX-8, but they're machined to fit RX-7 apex seals because they're bigger. And then the solid corner seals as well. The factory ones are two-piece and they tend to crack sometimes, especially when you hit off the limiter. Yeah. Which you love doing.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't bouncing after the limiter, but like I was approaching it a few times.
The most important thing is the RX-7 housings as well. So basically, the exhaust ports on the RX-8s are usually on the plates, and the hybrid uses the peripheral ports from the housings.
Nice.
With Bridgeport, it also makes it
Brap. Nice. So what's the to make a turbo? Do we need to do anything else, or do we just turbo it?
Take out the airbox, relocate the battery to the back, and you.
I mean, in terms of the engine, because usually like when you do it with a normal, like with a piston engine, you do like change the compression. Sometimes you do this and this and that.
So the hybrid, because it uses the solid corner seals.
Yeah.
It's already lower compression than the standard Renesis. So will
it still do 10,000 RPM, or you lower it because of the boost?
I will probably lower it because it's not going to make the power up top.
Yes, good point.
It's going to be kind of pointless. Like I can still have the turbo 10,000 RPM, but I'm never going to use the 10,000 RPM.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, makes sense. Nice. Okay, well, so far all the nerdy facts about the rotaries and rotors we have. For the rest, it's on Protura race tires. I have no idea what this is. but it did the job. As you can see, the wheels are super dirty because the brakes were stock, and I kept that in mind. I didn't send it really hard. It was mostly about the emotion. I was surprised that we didn't get banned, but then again, probably the marshals were a bit too busy with like looking at something else. I don't know. Because yeah, I just rolled off the track as soon as possible because I didn't know if the engine was gonna die. You might never know. So yeah, it was fun. I'm definitely looking forward to drive it again next year with much more power and yeah, and cooling and brakes.
Once it's gonna be cooling better,
yeah,
it's not gonna go into limp mode.
Sounds good. See you next year.
See you next year.
And thank you for this one. And you guys enjoy the lap. It's something very special. 10,000 RPM, 10 and a half. Hope the GoPro will be fine now because it switched itself off for some reason. Let's have some fun. Prepared for this. How do I close this thing? Thank you. Okay, now we can go on. Alright, so we have 10,500 RPM, stock brake pads, so it's pure for the experience. We're gonna take it easy. Interesting. Was that second gear before? Understeer. We're gonna have a yellow flag here. Yeah. Oh, interesting. So honestly, lots of noise, not a lot of momentum or movement. I'm gonna open the window a bit because I don't want to run AC and overheat the car. I don't know the speeds we're doing, but it didn't feel fast, but surely emotional. So stateside supercars was standing there. I guess not anymore because of the yellow flag. Ah, poor him. La 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 la. Take it easy. I do not want the marshals to go deaf. quite funny. Just enjoying the noise. Don't have to comment anything. Second gear corners is such an interesting thing. Temperature is still okay, so that's fine. It's really needing a turbo, I would say. Having the speed limit from the car that caught fire here, so that's unfortunate, but we can cool down ourselves as well. And second gear. It's quite funny. I was wrong.